seen things you people wouldn't believe.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian at WhisperStatus74. Welcome to the community, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you are seeing me, please consider liking and subscribing. This video is the 3.21.09 versus 3.21.16 software update for the LG CX. You see me going through the updates here. I would definitely click off the allow automatic updates, disable that. And from this point forward, we're actually going to call it just 0.16 versus 0.09. We updated this. This video is a couple days old. I had to resubmit it because I had to take out some Dolby Vision footage. This is just to see if the game mode is any brighter. Try to get things like for like with Black Ops Cold War. We'll start it off right here. I had done a comparison of these two, and the most noticeable was in these levels in custom. And we'll show 0.09 and then we'll fade into 0.16. I try to get them as like for like as I could, but I think you'll see a big difference, at least in the Call of Duty games. We have the same game mode, HGIG, and you see as we get into here, it is substantially brighter. It's a little more punchy as well. So the exact same inputs, the exact same game mode. We'll show another angle of it here. This is on the Series X, by the way. Now, the previous update did take away 100 nits of peak brightness, and it was rather noticeable on some titles. On others, as you'll see later in the video, it wasn't as noticeable, but I am happy that the brightness is back. Another part here of Black Ops Cold War. Now, I try to get these as like for like as I possibly could. But I would definitely disable auto update, especially after this update, as they really seem to have gotten the Dolby Vision where they want it, and the game mode looks very good. I would just disable that and always wait for more information on what the updates actually provide, because they're now affecting picture quality. Now, it wasn't night and day when the update first launched. I think most people wouldn't even have noticed it because on darker games, it's not visible. But on, some of these modes, that little bit of specular highlight is noticeable. You'll see it a little bit in the Miami map that's coming up next. This video is only about 6 minutes long. I did have some Dolby Vision footage that I had to take out. Again, this is on the Series X. We will have one PS5 game at the end. You see it's a little bit more punchy as we get over 2.16. Unfortunately, the next shot, I'm actually closer and then farther away, so I'm not sure the next shot actually matters much. But this is also at 120. Again, had some Dolby Vision footage I had to remove. It didn't look much different. The blacks are fine. They're deep enough. So I think the CX and obviously the GX are in a very good place right now. As we move over to the next shot, like I said, this next shot, I'm a little too close or a little farther away here, and then I zoom in too much. It's not quite as noticeable. And then we'll go on to the next one. And again, here I'm too close, but it is a tad brighter. Now, as we walk into, or we segment into Ori Will-O-the-Wisps, this wasn't as noticeable the first time I saw it. I do notice to be a little bit brighter in the sunshine with the next firmware update. If you look between the trees right there, not night and day, but... So I had done all this footage on the previous update and then updated it. So I had to go back and shoot them each separately in each game. Up next, you're going to see Demon Souls on the PS5, just because it looks absolutely stunning. I didn't think any of these games looked bad per se, being too dark, but even Demon Souls, it looked amazing here on PS5. Jaw-dropping. My favorite game on PS5 as far as visuals go. But the update seems to be doing what it promised to do. It looks fantastic. If you're happy with it, I would definitely take the allow auto updates offline and just enjoy your, CX, BX, or GX. All right, guys, thank you as always. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the comments. I'm very happy with this update. I think it came out very good. And, it's probably the most fully spec'd panel out there as far as games go. Wow, that looks amazing. All right, guys, thank you as always. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in the comments. Take care.